Welcome back to the channel. Today we're visiting the beautiful Plym Valley Railway in Devon for a weekend of heritage railway action. We'll be riding behind historic locomotives, exploring the scenic line through the Plym Valley and experiencing everything this volunteer-run railway has to offer. Whether you're a railway enthusiast or simply enjoy a great day out, there's plenty to see and enjoy. So sit back, relax, and let's head to the Plym Valley Railway. Good morning everybody. Welcome to the Plym Valley Railway for their transport weekend, where they're running a mixture of steam and diesel. They've also got other various displays, modern railway, vintage cars. So yeah, it's going to be a good weekend. Currently on board one of the two pacers they have down here. They've got a class 142 pacer and a former GWR class 143 pacer. And the 143 pacer is still in the Great Western Railway GWR green, but instead of having GW they've got PVR, which I'll try and show you at some point. So yeah, grab your ticket, hop on, we'll be departing soon. Right, here at Plym Bridge with the double pacer run. You've got 143618 on the front. This is the former Great Western Railway livery one. So you can see PVR in place of GWR. If you want to go a little bit further, where it says plymrail.co.uk, did say a first Great Western Company. So yeah, it's good they've kept that in the green. And then the one class 142 is more like in a cream white chocolatey coloured livery. Yeah, the way it's working, you've got a few runs with the two pacers up and back, then it will swap over for steam and the little steam and diesel for a few runs, then split again with one of the pacers back to the steam and diesel, back to the other pacer for the day. No, that was two pacers just heading back down to Marshmallows. We'll make our way back up to Plym Bridge, ready to see them come back in, and then ready to head back down the line to pick up the first of the steam runs for the day. Hope you've been enjoying the content so far. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe. All the support is much appreciated. I'm still targeting 500 subscribers by the end of the year, so every like, comment, subscribing, all that will greatly help. That's the 142 and 143 is left going into the sidings here at Marshmills. Parked up on the other platform, got Albert, little steam engine. Andrew Barclay, Sons and Co, number 2248. And you've got a little shunter thing there as well. Parked up so far down again. Something that's come on holiday down here, I believe, 30075.
I'm with him, so.
And right at the back, you just move the coaches. Sentinel 10077. So this rides back into Plym Bridge platform. Just behind me is the steam engine that's brought us up, Albert. At the far end you've got a little diesel Sentinel which will help the train get back down to Marshmills. We're going to get back on the path alongside, try and get some shot. as it's a transport weekend, Plym Valley Railway have got a few things out on display. Right here we've got the power car bit of an Intercity 125 43063. Which is nice to see. We've also got a little steamer 705. Now if we carry on wandering down, got what looks like it might be a DMU. Or some sort of posh carriage. And a few carriages and an information board. If we carry on a little bit further, hello birdies, got a very rusted shell of an engine. Yes, I don't think that's ever going to work again. And there's the Pacer 143618 next to another, well, I'll say DMU. Now I would say we're coming up to where the sidings join up with the main part of the 1 mile track here. Right, so arriving back into Marshfield now is 142 Pacer 142023 with its final run of the day up to Plym Bridge platform and back. Hopefully you can see that Pacer back in use today. Next up for the run is the lovely little engine, which has now got the headboard of the Devonian on it. Right, that was the last run past for the Sentinel and Albert 2289. They're both heading back down to Marshmallows for the end of their working day. Got just a couple of runs with the Class 143 Pacer, the former Great Western Railway liveried one to go, and that is it for the transport day here at the Plym Valley Railway down in Devon. Right, we're on board Class 143 Pacer heading back to Marshmallows for the end of the day here at the Plym Valley Railway. There's a distinct possibility I'm potentially the only passenger actually on board, which does not surprise me. So yeah, just back into Marshmallows, and yeah, all done for the day. It's been a good day actually. It's been nice to see the steam and White's team up the line, which after the previous visit is what I wanted, so yeah, jobs are good. Right, that's it, just so back into Marshmallows at the end of the day on board 143618, the Class 143 Pacer. So yeah, we've seen both Pacers, steam and the Sentinel working the line today, so it's been a good day. So yeah, it's time to wrap this little video up. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me for the transport day here at the Plym Valley Railway. I hope you've enjoyed the content and seeing all the different engines working the line. If you have, then please don't do all your normal good stuff like subscribe, share, comment. Let me know in the comments out of all the engines and locomotives we've seen which was your favourite. Until next time, I'll talk to everybody very soon. So from 143618, the Dorish Donkey, 30075, and myself from the Plym Valley Railway, choo choo for now.